I'm Todd Brady, President and founder of Brady Construction Innovations and the developer of SlipTrack brand slotted track. Over the last 15 years, I've been a major driving force in developing the slotted track market to become the industry standard it is today. With over 25 years metal stud framing experience, I know that head-of-wall framing and door and window HVAC rough opening framing is some of the most difficult conditions to master.
In Class A commercial building construction, metal studs are used to frame exterior, interior walls, and ceiling systems. Any openings in these walls need to be engineered to comply with local building codes. Headers are created in walls where openings occur for doors or windows or equipment or air conditioning ducts. The traditional box header creates an excessive amount of detailing by the design professional as well as construction labor by the contractor, which equates to a higher cost to the owner.
When cutting a traditional built-up box header, there's much more safety risks due to the amount of cuts on the chop saw. The problem with building and installing built-up box headers is the amount of labor that goes into each assembly. The built-up box headers really require two crews. The fabrication crew, responsible for cutting the studs, the track, and also a welder for the welding of the assembly, and then your installation crew for the built-up box header of installing it into the walls.
When metal stud framing, rough openings are created using built-up stud and track sections. Built-up box headers are assembled in various ways, which requires hours of hand cutting and field assembly. There is no standard method. Once the assembly is completed, the header needs to be installed, which leaves a buildup of overlapping materials at critical connection points. There is no standard method.
There needs to be an industry standard for rough opening framing.
Over the course of this video, you will see this revolutionary new product that makes the traditional method of framing headers using built-up studs and track obsolete. This framing system is stronger, safer, easier to install, provides a better quality finish, and improves your bottom line. All of this using 30% less steel, 90% less cutting energy, and no welding. So it's a smart choice for the environment too. The ProX Header has all these benefits designed into its innovative shape. ProX Header is a roll-formed product using prime steel. 14 bends are formed, providing strength and function. So you get better production, better safety, better quality, and better environment. Dietrich Metal Framing, the nation's largest provider of steel studs, is licensed by Brady Innovations to manufacture and distribute this product line to the industry. With 18 manufacturing and distribution centers across the country, your local supply house can order ProX Header and have it for you within days. ProX Header is a superior and cost-effective alternative to the limited span capabilities of single track and the excessive buildup of traditional box headers. The ProX Header is designed for all interior and exterior door and window openings, ranging from 3 to 12 feet wide.
What I like the most about the ProX Header is the flush finished surface at the jam studs. It creates a better quality on the interior face as well as the exterior face of the building.
The standard design and ease of installation means that one man can install headers quickly with 90% less field cutting, and field welding is never required. This makes for fast installation, consistent quality, and less variation at critical connection points with flush-settled screws. You get smooth drywall and taping finishes.
One great advantage that I see in the ProX Header system, the assembly of just one piece rather than 5. Speeds up everything, and safety is a factor. The less you handle, the less chance you're going to get cut.
The ProX Header has been great for this project. We've been able to have one crew cut the ProX Header and install the ProX Header at that time.
The ProX Header, being a pre-engineered system, has a distinct advantage as it is able to handle the flexibilities of the construction process.
See why our ProX Header system is the best value for your money for interior or exterior door and window framing. Order your specification and submittal book online now and learn more about this amazing system.